Hey, what's up, y'all? Here's a quick review on the YITAMOTOR bed cover for trucks. It's a leather tri-fold cover, so it folds in three portions, and this snaps on whenever you're riding with it on the highway. You can strap on the other piece, and it won't, fly away. Ultimately, there's four secure areas to make sure it doesn't come across. Something to make note is that if your tailgate automatically opens, it will kind of get stuck, but I've gotten used to it. I don't mind it just because I prefer the cover. You can position it a little bit forward, but it is what it is. But for the record, your tailgate won't automatically open if it has that feature on your truck, which is fine with me. So you unhook this anchor, same thing here. Just like that. Check it out. Folds over once, twice. You have these straps and you strap it down. You position this out of the way right there, just like that. I'm not gonna strap it because I want to cover it again because it is raining. So definitely recommend this cover. It's been helpful. It looks clean, it looks sharp, and it keeps your bed dry and secured. So definitely recommend it. Take it easy, everybody.